All right, so we have all been in a situation where stuck on the side of the road because you got a dang old flat tire. This tire repair kit from Rhino USA, I'm not going to say it's a lifesaver, but I will say you'll feel better about having it in your vehicle if you do get a flat tire, especially if it's a slow leak. Now, if you blow your tire out, that's one thing, but if you picked up a nail or something like that and you're just kind of stuck because you're low on air, this kit will definitely help you out. All right, so here is the kit. It comes with, like I said, everything you're going to need to have to plug a small hole or even a large hole. I've repaired quarter-size holes with plugs before out on the trails. I don't advise doing that and driving down the road, but you got to do what you got to do sometimes. So you got your reamer to ream out that hole to kind of clean out all debris, sticks, nails, teeth, bones, whatever it is you ran over. You know, jam this thing in there, kind of wiggle it around, get all that junk out of there. Then you've got your plug hook right here. What this is for is you take one of these plugs or two of these plugs and you slide it through here. And once you do that, you take it and you'll dip it in this lubricant right here. Open that up. It's just a lubricant in there. Kind of helps get that plug down in there a little bit easier. Helps seal it up a little bit better. Now these plugs are super sticky too, so once they're in there, they're in there. Now if you've got a real slow leak coming out of a valve core, this kit's got those in here too. Got your valve cores. And it's also got your valve core remover. So, got those. What else does this thing have? It has got 3 different kinds of valve caps. You got your basic black ones, you've got your long, skinny black ones, and then you've got your chromium plated for you people out there that's got everything chrome on there. Which, I got a lot of chrome stuff on my truck and different things, but they're in there if you need them. It's also got a tire pressure gauge right here. It goes out to, what's it go out to? About 120 pounds looks like. So that'd be good. Got your needle nose pliers. You pull out those teeth that we talked about earlier. Hopefully there's no teeth in there. If it is, like a raccoon or something. Got your razor knife to cut off any excess plug that's sticking out of your tire. And got your Allen wrenches up here to swap out your plug hook for your other plug hook if you need to. So it's pretty much a one-stop shop for a tire repair kit. It won't, I'm not going to say that it won't because I've done it. Sidewall repairs and stuff like that. I've repaired sidewall tires. I've repaired quarter-size hole in tires. I've repaired all kinds of stuff with these plugs. Not this particular kit, but plugs in general. I've repaired all kinds of stuff with them. So this kit's got everything you need in it. Go check it out at rhinousa.com. I think they're having some specials and some deals and stuff going on right now, so take advantage of it. Also, use discount code Captain Nappy when you check out. You receive an additional 10% off. Yeah, that's it. Awesome kit from Rhino USA. Check it out. Do me a favor, like the video, subscribe it, share it if you want to. Merry Christmas. Have a good one.